Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your headphones Philips. Firstly, you need to locate multifunctional button. Multifunctional button located at the right ear cup, and right here near to the buzz button we have it. You need to press 2 times at this multifunctional button and you will call Google Assistant. 1, 2. And now, as you can see, it's awake. I called Gemini because we set up Gemini at this phone, but if you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.